Hi again, it's Miss Ray at the Ray of Math, and now that we know our way around addition and subtraction, it's time for us to start working on multiplication. And the way we'll be looking at it, we're going to see multiplication as repeated addition. When we think of 3 times 4, we're going to do 3 times 4. When you see this, this means 3 groups of 4. So 3 times 4 also equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is an array, it's a visual of this. Another way to look at it, 4 plus 4 plus 4. 3 times 4 is the same as 3 groups of 4, it's the same as 4 plus 4 plus 4, which equals 12. There's a lot of cool math tips that you can remember. So anything times 1 is the original number. So if you have 5 times 1, it's 5. If you have 1,000,000 times 1, it's 1,000,000, right? When you have the number 2, you're doubling the number, the second number. So if we have 2 times 4, this is just 4 plus 4. If you have 2 times 5, it's 5 plus 5. If you see anything times 2, double the number, add the same amount. So 2 times 10 is going to be 10 plus 10. 2 times 30, 30 plus 30. So since multiplication is basically repeated addition, if we have 2 times 6, this is basically just saying 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Or if this is too much for you, 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 12. 2 times 6, 12. Let's do 4 times 5, okay? We have 4 times 5. You can do 4 groups of 5 or 5 groups of 4. Now when I say that, you remember the circles I just wrote? So whichever one is quicker, easier for you. So 4 groups of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the same as 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which is also the same as 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Which is also the same as 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. There are 4 additional ways just to solve this. Later on, we're going to work on area. So if you're looking at it, you have 5 times 4. That means there are 20 little circles in here. And this is the same thing. 4 times 5 gives you 20. This one, 4 plus 4, 8. Plus 4, 12. Plus 4, 16. Plus 4, 20. this. 5 plus 5, 10. Plus 5, 15, plus 5, 20. And just to touch on grouping to make this a little more interesting, 5 plus 5 is 10, plus this 5 plus 5 is 10. And this gives you 20. This, 8. 8 plus 4. You can do 8 plus 8, 16 plus 4. You can do 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 8 is 20. So let's use my stars just for some color visuals and because it matches my headband. So here we have 4, 8, 10, okay? Let's do 2 times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, this is showing you what 5 times 2 is. Let's do 3 times 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. If we count 3 times 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means 3 times 3 is 9. Do you remember my place value kit with, say you didn't know how many cubes were in this one big cube. This is what is gonna, understanding this is gonna lead you to solve things like this. Figure out how many, and this is actually called area. Once you multiply this side by this side, that's how many is in here. So we know that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10. No, this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10 on this side, 10 on this side. That means 10 times 10 gives us some mystery number. So we're gonna have 10 groups of 10. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. And doing the same way. 10 this way, 10 that way. Now if you add up all of these little cubes, you're gonna find 100. Whereas this one, there's only one column, but 10 rows. So what does that mean? It is 10 times 1. You have 10 rows, 1 column. So you just simply add and you get 10. 1 plus 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 1. In this video, I've already touched up on some tips and tricks for a few of the numbers we use today. Next week, we're going to dive into them some more and become math multiplication masters. Thank you for joining me.